I hope you all are well. Today I am going to teach you some yogic postures which is help you to keep your body fit and you can increase your flexibility, power, strength, etc. So let's start. So before starting main postures, we have to do some light exercise which is help to increase our body warm because without warming up we can, if we do main postures, we can get some injuries. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now deep inhale. Now bend your head backside. Exhale. Again inhale and put your head down. Exhale, go back. Inhale down. Exhale, go back. Okay, now again inhale, deep inhale and bend your head left side. Exhale, inhale, right side. Exhale, again inhale, go down left side. Slowly exhale. Now inhale, go right side. Okay, now put your hands straight, spread your fingers. Now bend your all fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up your both hands. Start 1, 2, 3, 4. Now sidewise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now rotate your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now side bending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Up. Now straight your both legs. Straight your both legs. Now fold your one leg and you have to start up and down. Inhale, exhale and go down. Again up. Inhale, exhale, go down. Up, down, up, down. Okay. Now change your leg. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Now you have to place your both feet like this. You have to try to touch your knees on the floor. Okay. Now from this position you have to shake both knees like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Again you have to push your both knees with your both elbows again up and shake your both legs. Okay. Now you have to go the main postures. Okay. So today I will teach you 4 postures. First is Paschimottanasana, second Bhujangasana, third Setubandhanasana or bridge pose, and fourth Gomukhasana. Okay. So let's start with Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana. Okay. So from this position you have to up your both hands and you have to inhale, deep breathe. You have to take deep breath. Now slowly release your breath and you have to go down. Okay, and you have to try to touch your forehead on your knees. Okay, again up and come initial position. So you have to practice these postures 4 times and each times you will take 10 seconds. Okay, once more time I will show you. Slowly up, inhale, exhale, slowly go down and hold your both thumb with your fingers. Okay, Now slowly go down. Hold this position for 10 seconds and slowly up and come initial position. Okay. After these postures, you have to go relaxation position. Okay. This is the relaxation position. In this position, you have to look upward direction. Your breathing will be normal. Okay. Now, I will show you next postures. That is Gomukhasana. Okay. This is also a sitting postures, Gomukhasana. Now, first time you have to fold your right leg. Okay. Now you have to fold your left leg. Okay. And your both knees should be touched each other. Okay. Now from this position you have to up your left hand upward direction and your right hand should be goes back, and you have to touch your both hands fingers, and you have to look forward. Your body should be straight and breathing pattern will be normal. Okay. And you have to hold these postures for 10 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your postures. And now you have to change other side. Means first time you have to place your left leg upward on the right thigh. Now you have to place your right leg on your left thigh. Okay. Now you have to fold your right leg, then left leg. Okay. Now you have to keep your body straight. Spine should be straight. And from this position, you have to up your right hand like this. Okay. Your hand should be straight and your right hand should be bent from elbow, and your left hand will goes back, and both hands fingers should be touch each other like this. And from this position you have to look forward, and your breathing pattern will be normal. And you have to hold for this hold for 10 seconds of these postures. Okay. And release your postures. So this is the Gomukhasana. Okay. You have to remember this. Now next postures. Next postures is Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. This pose in lying position. Okay. Lying position postures. So from this position you have to go lie down position. Your both hands have to place like this. Okay. Your feet should be together and your toes outward. Now will go outer direction. Now from this position you have to place your both palm beside your chest, and from this position you have to slowly up your upper body from navel position. Okay. To slowly up. Now your elbows would be touched beside your body, and you have to look upward direction, and you have to hold these postures for 10 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly go down, and you have to go relaxation position like this. You have to place your both hands beside your chest. Okay. And you have to go relaxation position. Again you have to practice for 10 seconds. Okay. So your set will be 4 sets. 10 seconds hold, 5 second relaxation, again 10 seconds hold, 5 second relaxation, 10 second hold, 5 second relaxation. Okay. So you have to practice all postures, and you have to hold all postures for 10 seconds in each sets. Okay. If you are not practice more time, so what will happen? We will not get benefits from these postures. Now last asana or last postures is bridge pose or Setu Bandhanasana. Okay. So this is also a lying position posture. in supine position, and from this position you have to fold your left leg, then right leg, okay, like this. Your both feet distance according will be shoulder level distance, okay, according to your shoulder level, okay, distance. So from here you have to place your both palms just behind your heel, okay. Now from here you have to look upward direction and you have to up your body slowly, okay, like this. You have to up your body like this, and here also you have to hold these postures for 10 seconds, okay, and it will be for 4 times, okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Slowly go down and you have to go relaxation position, this one, okay. So this is the bridge pose or Setu Bandhanasana. So I hope you all are able to understand. Now next is pranayam, okay, pranayam. So after complete any postures we have to do some pranayam, which is help to increase our lung capacity, okay, lung capacity, okay. So let's start how we will practice pranayama. So you have to sit any comfortable position. You can sit Padmasana, okay, this one also. You can sit Sukhasana, okay. You can sit also Vajrasana, okay. So you can sit any comfortable position. From here you have to put your both hands on your knees, and from here you have to fold your right hand index and middle finger. From here you have to close your right nostril and you have to take deep breath through your left nostril, and you have to close your left nostril and open your right nostril and release your breath through right nostril, okay. And then second time again you will inhale through your right nostril, close your right nostril and again release your breath through your left nostril, okay. This is the procedure. So let's start. Inhale, hold for 2 seconds. Now release your breath through right nostril. Exhale. Inhale, close your right nostril, open your left nostril and release your breath. You have to practice this pranayam for 10 times, and the name of this pranayam is Anulom Vilom, okay. And during practice this pranayam you have to close your both eyes, your spine should be straight, okay. Keep in mind this point. You have to close your both eyes and your spine should be straight, okay. Now next we have to do that Om chanting. So before finishing this class we have to do this Om chanting. So close your eyes and take deep breath through your nose, and you have to hold that breath for 3 seconds, then release your breath with Om chanting, okay. So let's start. Inhale, your eyes. Again rubbing your palm together. Put on your eyes and again rubbing your palm together. Take some Om. Okay. Now slowly open your eyes. I hope you will practice at your home these postures. Next day I will teach you some other postures. Okay. So thank you.